Hi, I'm Jeff Langford with JDL Homes and the 1910 Construction Group, and I'm here today to talk about a really exciting project for us. It's our first Nudura ICF above grade wall assembly building. So what you're looking at here is a completely wrapped laneway home, actually, and as you can see, we are using the Siga Majvest exterior air barrier here, and we're just completing our rain screen system on top. But this particular project was a perfect project for the ICF. Some of the challenges that we faced on this project was the topography of the land, and there's quite a bit of a slope from one side of the building to the other. So instead of stepping a foundation and dealing with all the gradation changes, we thought, why not start with an excellent product, an ICF foundation, and go all the way up. And so that's what we did. It eliminated all of our gradation issues. We were able to just run our below grade damp proofings and so on to the slopes that were required by the topography of the particular lot. So as with most of our ICF foundations, we started off with the fast foot bag footing as our footing system. That allows the capillary break again from the ground to the concrete, eliminating the rising damp in our houses. And then we pour that footing separately, and then we started with the ICF. And in this case, we went straight up and created our first ICF Nudura above grade wall assembly that we personally have ever done. And all in all, we're very excited with the product itself. It's performed incredibly well. It is straight, true, strong, quiet, has a tremendous amount of positive qualities as an above grade wall assembly. You'll see in some of the photos and videos that we have through the build, you'll see the ease of installation with the Nudura. Some of the key benefits of the Nudura is their locking system, the clip system. They clip into one another, so you don't have any uplift during the concrete pours and so on. Very strong webbing that is through the block from top to bottom, again reducing any compression issues that some of their competitors have. So again, the Nudura was just a perfect product for this scenario, and our homeowners in this instance, they're going to love the quietness inside the house, as well as the comfort that the ICF will provide them. So a few questions that we get when we're working with the Nudura is, what do you do to the outside of an ICF foundation wall or above grade wall assembly? And for those of you who haven't seen my previous video where I explain our below grade ICF foundation, I urge you to find it online on our website or on Vancouver ICF's website. I go into great detail with the different products that we use, again, right from the fast foot product right up to the dimple mat in the end. But in this particular case, we have stuck with the proprietary Nudura peel and stick membrane below grade, as well as a dimple mat drain board. And then as we start to transition up to the above grade wall assembly, basically what we have done is we simply just transition to the Siga Majvest, which then comes down over top of our Nudura peel and stick and is taped with the Siga tape. And then on top of that, down below, we use a 12-inch flashing. And this flashing, basically what it does is it protects the Nudura itself from UV damage and any particular damage from foot traffic or lawn equipment or anything for that matter. And then we transition into a standard rain screen detail that you see here with your bug screen and your pressure treated strapping and so on. And as we move up the wall, again, the Siga is going to be providing excellent weather barrier and air barrier to the building. And then we get into a standard window assembly here, again complete with rain screen, your bug screens, your top and bottom flashings, and so on. And that's simply it. As you carry on up past the window, you'll see that all of the seams in the Majvest have been taped with the Siga tape as well. This will be providing an excellent air barrier as well as a weather barrier to this home. So with the air tightness that this product is going to provide, the home will be incredibly energy efficient. We won't have to worry about any moisture problems in the wall assembly itself because it just simply can't get in.